Nutrilite Iron Folic. Iron plus folic for women's wellness. The unique blend of ingredients in Nutrilite Iron Folic is designed with 3 sources of iron plus folic acid that help in the formation and proper functioning of red blood cells. Made with nutrients from iron-rich plants grown on our farms and partner farms. Iron deficiency is considered one of the most common nutritional deficiencies worldwide, especially among women during their childbearing years. When iron levels become low, the body may struggle to transport enough oxygen throughout the body, often leading to fatigue, weakness, reduced energy, and poor concentration. This is why maintaining healthy iron levels is extremely important for women with active lifestyles and increased nutritional demands. Nutrilite Iron Folic was carefully designed to help support healthy blood formation by combining multiple iron sources with folic acid and vitamin C. Folic acid plays a key role in the healthy formation of red blood cells, while vitamin C helps improve the body's ability to absorb iron effectively. Many traditional iron supplements may not absorb efficiently, but combining iron with vitamin C helps increase bioavailability and allows the body to utilize the nutrients more effectively. Another unique aspect of this formula is its plant-based nutritional approach. Ingredients sourced from iron-rich plants, such as spinach and mustard greens, help provide a more balanced nutritional profile while supporting overall wellness. Instead of relying entirely on synthetic ingredients, this formula combines nutritional science with plant-derived support to help women feel stronger, healthier, and more energized every day. Product details. Unique blend of 3 iron sources. Women in their childbearing years can use extra support when it comes to maintaining healthy levels of iron and folic acid. That's where Nutrilite Iron Folic comes in. This convenient, plant-packed supplement contains 3 powerful forms of iron, including iron bisglycinate, iron fumarate, and mustard greens, one of the richest plant-based sources of iron. Iron helps transport oxygen through the body, and it's paired with folic acid to help form red blood cells. To help your body soak up all that goodness, each dose also contains vitamin C, which increases iron absorption. Who it's for? Anyone looking to support their iron and folic acid levels with a convenient supplement. Not all forms of iron work the same way in the body. Some forms may cause digestive discomfort or may not absorb efficiently. Iron bisglycinate is often recognized for its gentler digestion and improved absorption compared to traditional iron sources. This helps make the supplement easier to tolerate for many individuals who may be sensitive to conventional iron supplements. The combination of multiple iron sources was designed to provide more balanced nutritional support while helping maintain healthy oxygen transport throughout the body. Oxygen plays a critical role in energy production, physical performance, and mental focus. When healthy iron levels are maintained, the body is better able to support stamina, vitality, and overall wellness. The inclusion of mustard greens and spinach also helps distinguish this formula from heavily synthetic products. These plant-derived ingredients contribute naturally sourced nutrients while supporting a cleaner and more wellness-focused supplement experience. Combined with vitamin C for improved absorption, Nutrilite Iron Folic offers a thoughtful approach to supporting women's nutritional health. Ingredients. Product facts. Medicinal ingredients. Each tablet contains folate, folic acid, 195 mg. Vitamin C, ascorbic acid, 15 mg. Acerola cherry concentrate, Malpighiaea glabra, dehydrated fruit juice, standardized to 20% vitamin C, 75 mg. Total vitamin C, from 2 sources, 30 mg. Iron, from ferrous bisglycinate, 5 mg. Iron, from ferrous fumarate, 4.65 mg. Indian mustard, Brassica juncea, leaves and stems, standardized to 1.8% iron, 21 mg. Total iron, from 3 sources, 10 mg. Spinach, Spinacia oleracea, dehydrated leaves and stems, 39 mg. Non-medicinal ingredients. Lactose, microcrystalline cellulose, maltodextrin, sodium carboxymethylcellulose, hydroxypropyl methylcellulose, silicon dioxide, cornstarch, magnesium stearate, glycerin, carnauba wax. This thoughtfully designed formula combines scientifically recognized nutrients with plant-derived ingredients to support healthy blood formation and overall wellness. Iron plays a critical role in carrying oxygen throughout the body, while folic acid supports healthy red blood cell production and normal cellular function. Vitamin C serves two important purposes within this formula. First, it acts as an antioxidant that helps protect cells from oxidative stress. Second, vitamin C significantly improves iron absorption, helping the body absorb and utilize iron more effectively. Acerola cherry concentrate, one of the richest natural sources of vitamin C, further enhances this plant-focused nutritional approach. The addition of spinach and Indian mustard helps provide naturally sourced nutrients that support a more balanced and wellness-oriented supplement experience. These ingredients reflect Nutrilite's emphasis on combining nutritional science with plant-based nutrition. Together, these carefully selected ingredients work in harmony to support iron levels, oxygen transport, healthy blood formation, and overall vitality. Uses. Iron helps form red blood cells and helps in their proper function. Folic acid helps to form red blood cells, and vitamin C is an antioxidant for the maintenance of good health. Red blood cells are responsible for carrying oxygen throughout the body. When this system does not function properly, the body may experience tiredness, low stamina, weakness, and reduced physical performance. Maintaining healthy iron levels is important for supporting energy production, endurance, focus, and overall daily wellness. Iron is an essential component of hemoglobin, the protein that transports oxygen in the bloodstream. Without sufficient iron, the body may struggle to deliver oxygen efficiently to tissues and muscles. Folic acid works alongside iron by supporting the healthy formation of red blood cells and contributing to overall cellular health. Vitamin C adds additional support through its antioxidant properties while also helping improve iron absorption. By increasing the body's ability to absorb non-heme iron, vitamin C helps maximize the effectiveness of the supplement and supports better nutrient utilization. Warnings. Ask a healthcare practitioner before use if you are pregnant or breastfeeding or anyone with a medical condition. For prolonged use, consult a healthcare practitioner. There is enough iron in this package to seriously harm a child. For best results, supplements should always be used responsibly and according to professional guidance. Proper storage and safe handling are especially important in households with children. Certifications. Halal. NSF Content Certified. Kosher dairy. Modern consumers often pay close attention not only to ingredients, but also to manufacturing quality, testing standards, and product transparency. Certifications help provide additional reassurance that products are produced according to recognized standards for quality, safety, and consistency. NSF Content Certified verification helps confirm that the contents inside the product match what is stated on the label. Independent certification programs help reinforce trust, ingredient transparency, and manufacturing reliability. Halal certification makes the product suitable for individuals who follow halal dietary practices, while kosher dairy certification reflects compliance with additional dietary and production standards recognized by many consumers worldwide.